Hello, good morning class. Today I am present here to discuss about Kirchhoff's law. Automotive, electrical and electronics subject we will discuss about Kirchhoff's law. Basically, Kirchhoff's law is fundamental rule to analyze complex electrical circuit where Ohm's law is not valid. So there are two types. Of Kirchhoff's law. First one is KVL, means Kirchhoff's voltage law, and second one is KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. So firstly we will discuss about KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. So first point about Kirchhoff's voltage law is in a closed electrical circuit, algebraic sum of all the voltage source, should be zero. Means algebraic sum of all the voltage source and voltage drop should be zero. We can write here summation of V is equal to 0. Next basic property of KVL is it is based on the principle of conversion of energy. Means energy supplied by the active source is equal to the energy observed by the passive element. So next point, energy supplied by active source, active element is equal to energy observed taken by passive element. Passive element. Passive element means R, L and C connected in that circuit. Another point regarding KVL, it is applicable in series circuit. In series circuit. It is also used for voltage divider rule. It is also used in voltage divider rule. So this is the basic fundamental concept theory regarding Kirchhoff's voltage law. Let's we consider a numerical example and solve the problem. So KVL numerical. Here we consider a electrical circuit and find out the value of the current. So electrical circuit here, this is the 5 volt, a resistance connected 2 ohm, here 3 ohm, here 7 ohm and 10 ohm. 10 ohm plus minus. How to solve this numerical problem? What is the question regarding this question? Calculate current in 3 ohm resistance using KVL, means Kirchhoff's voltage law. Then how we calculate current in these 3 ohm resistance? Look here, basic 2 loops here, first loops and second loops. This will be the second loops. So we can take I1 here and I2 here. Direction of the current you can take easily in such direction. You are free to take any direction. Answer will be the same. This type direction you can take also reverse direction, but answer will be same. So loop first, this one loop second. This current entering in negative sign and reach in branch 3 ohm resistance. This current entering in negative sign and also coming in 3 ohm resistance. So I1 comes here and I2 also comes here. Direction of the current in same. So in 3 ohm resistance, total current will be I1 plus I2. This one. We can take loop first and apply KVL. So direction of current entering in negative sign firstly. So we can take negative sign, -5. This will be 2 ohm I1. This will be the voltage drop. So plus 2 I1 plus drop across 3 ohm resistance, 3 I1 plus I2 equal to 0. This is the basic fundamental rule for calculating the current using KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Solving these equations, we can find 2I1 plus 3I1 plus 3I2 equal to 5. 5I1 plus 3I2 equal to 5. Equation first. Similarly, in loop second, apply KVL in loop second. Apply KVL in loop second. So we check the direction of the current. Current entering firstly in negative sign. So we can take negative voltage 10. Then voltage drop across 7 ohm resistance plus 7I2. Similarly, plus voltage drop across 3 ohm resistance 3. Here total current is I1 plus I2. Here I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. Here 7I2 plus 3I1 plus 3I2 is equal to 10. Means 3I1 plus 7I2 is equal to 10. Equation number second. So calculating the value of I1 and I2 from equation first and second, we can easily find out the value of I1 and I2 by substitution methods. So I1 is equal to 0.5 ampere and I2 is equal to approximately 0.9 ampere. So current can be calculated by these two equations. In this circuit, what is the question? Calculate current in 3 ohm resistance using KVL. What is the current in 3 ohm resistance? Total current flow in 3 ohm resistance is equal to I1 plus I2. So current in 3 ohm resistance will be I1 plus I2 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.9 is equal to 1.4 ampere. Question may be changed and asked what is the current in 2 ohm resistance. This will be I1 and I1 value of the I1 is 0.5. And another question may be asked, what is the current in 7 ohm resistance? In this loop, the current flow in 7 ohm resistance only I2. So I2 is 0.9. This is the basic concept of Kirchhoff's voltage